Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant in 2025. How to pay your home credit bills using BPI online banking. Whether you're juggling multiple bills or just want a quick, secure way to handle payments, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the latest BPI online banking app installed on your smartphone or access it through the website. It's free and user-friendly, perfect for on-the-go banking. Once you're set, log in with your secure username and password. For added security, you'll likely need to verify with a one-time PIN sent to your registered mobile number, always a smart move to protect your account. Now, navigate to the Bills Payment section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard, making it super easy to find. Scroll through the list of billers or use the search bar to quickly locate Home Credit. With advancements in 2025, the app might even suggest it based on your payment history. Talk about convenient. Next, enter the required details: your home credit account number, the amount you want to pay, and any reference numbers if prompted. Take a moment to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Once you're confident, review the summary of your transaction, which will show the total amount, fees, if any, and payment date. Hit that Confirm button, and you'll be prompted to authenticate again for safety. After a quick processing time, you'll receive a confirmation message via email or in-app notification. That's it. You've just paid your bill seamlessly. A quick tip for 2025: keep an eye on promotional offers within the app, as BPI often has rewards for digital payments. Also, make sure your BPI account has sufficient funds to avoid declined transactions. If you encounter any issues, BPI's 24/7 customer support is just a chat away. There you have it, folks. Paying home credit via BPI online banking is straightforward and efficient. Give this video a like if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay savvy.